and Medic 5. We informed the fall victim Bravo at 556 South Mulvers Road, Belvidere with Unit TV a low UNG.
It was mostly sunny. Once again, at the Chicago Rockford Airport it was 70 under partly sunny skies. Here is your forecast for Rockford and surrounding communities. Tornado watch 89 in effect until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time this evening. For this afternoon, showers with thunderstorms likely. Some thunderstorms may be severe with damaging winds, large hail, and tornadoes. Winds highs in the mid-60s. Southwinds 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 80 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 90%. Overnight, mostly cloudy. Showers likely with the chance of thunderstorms early in the evening. And a slight chance of showers late in the evening. Some thunderstorms may produce damage to large hail and tornadoes early in the evening. Winds blows in the low 40s. Southwest winds 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Eastward 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 25 miles per hour after midnight. Precipitation 70%. The Friday, mostly cloudy. Slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the upper 50s. Northwest winds around 5 miles per hour, increasing to east 10 to 15 miles per hour in the afternoon. Chance of precipitation 20%. And for Friday night, a chance of thunderstorms in the evening. Showers. Chance of thunderstorms after midnight.
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Rock Island County in northwestern Illinois, western Whiteside County in northwestern Illinois, northwestern Henry County in northwestern Illinois, Scott County in east central Iowa, southeastern Clinton County in east central Iowa until 6:30 p.m. At 5:46 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from DeWitt to Long Grove to Edmonton, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Davenport, Moline, Rock Island, Belvidere, Clinton, East Moline, Morrison, Silvis, Geneseo, Elbridge, DeWitt, Kelowna, Milan, Comanche, LeClaire, Coal Valley, Fulton, Canton, Orion, and Fort Byron. This includes the following highways: Interstate 74 in Iowa between mile markers 1 and 5. Interstate 80 in Iowa between mile markers 288 and 306. Interstate 80 in Illinois between mile markers 1 and 18. Interstate 74 in Illinois between mile markers 1 and 20. Interstate 88 between mile markers 1 and 26. Interstate 280 between mile markers 1 and 18. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Continuous cloud to ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's living killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northwestern Illinois and east central Iowa.
They're always on top of their game.
In south central Wisconsin until 6:45 p.m. At 5:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Glen, or 9 miles southeast of Broadhead, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Janesville, Milton, Edgerton, Orfordville, Footsville, Fulton, Newark, Hanover, Afton, Avon, Indianford, Leiden, and Lima Center. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for south central and southeastern Wisconsin.
Not even kidding, I had to take a dump.
This is Noaa weather radio station KZZ 57 Rockford.
Everything has just been such bad timing today, it's insane. Well, not like absolute worst, but not good. So, sorry about that. I didn't miss it, but it wasn't ideal.